Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen culture. Today we are making chocolate whiskey mousse that's not too sweet and can be made ahead of time. Let's get started. Start by adding 1.5 cups of sweetened chilled whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. To check if you've achieved the right consistency, turn the bowl upside down, and if the whipped cream stays, you're good to go. Moving on to the chocolate part, here I'm roughly cutting up some dark chocolate. You could use any chocolate of your choice. Place it on the double boiler and add 40 grams of butter. Stir until chocolate and butter melt completely. To amplify chocolate's flavor, I'm using instant coffee. Pour some boiling water over the coffee and set it aside. Once cooled, add the chocolate and coffee to the whipped cream. Next, add 50 to 60 ml of whiskey depending on your palate. Whisk for not more than a minute to incorporate all ingredients. To present the chocolate whiskey mousse, simply pipe it in small bowls or shot glasses. To give it some contrast, I am piping whipped cream and topping it with some chocolate flakes. There you have it, delicious chocolate whiskey mousse. Serve chilled and enjoy.